Hi everybody!
We are Merk
and Kremont. Welcome to the Vespa Sound of Europe tour. The electric beat of Vespa Elettrica never stops. After Berlin and Milan...
Oui, nous sommes à Paris. We are in Paris.
But let's go, my friend.
Allez, mes amis.
La Ville Lumière. And we are here with our Vespa Elettrica.
Pardon, Vespa Elettrica.
We'll be touring around this wonderful city on our silent Vespa.
Let's listen to the sound of Paris. You know, just in case we get hungry.
Oh, Paris. There is so much to see and to do. It's like riding through an open-air museum. So how does it look?
Really cool, fashionable, trendy, formidable.
Yes, today we had a spectacular tour of Paris.
And tonight it's going to be a triumph.
Man, listen to that silence.
Yes, just like Vespa Elettrica. Oh, Madame and Messieurs, what a breathtaking day in Paris.
With the coolest music and the coolest Vespa. Do you want to try the Vespa Elettrica too? Go for info at tour.vespa.com. Come and visit us for the grand finale of the Sound of Europe tour in Madrid.
Vamos, chicas y chicos!